Organizing is an interesting thing for Miss all. Organizers and co-organizers, captains and co-captains. It's a new royal life in ME unit space, wireless space. Beyond all government systems, beyond all military systems, it's wireless space, direct cosmos, cosmic consciousness. Extraordinarily brilliant souls can feel that they are descended to this planet for purpose, proximity, and power. Power is everything. Those who have got the power, they will create destiny. Those who do not have the power, they cannot create anything at all. That's why power manifestation souls organize their own team in tune with me. And that is the way in which organizing becomes so interesting. Rejoicing also in it, for the purpose in which every soul is involved. I am an organizer. I have to become an organizer because of bad experiences in various places. So when I organize, it becomes a living God system. That's why Niche Sai groups are totally different from all other ways of one living styles. It's living and leading a beautiful life, wonderful life with consciousness, super consciousness. Then it is spiritual system that matters. All those who are going to be a part of my vision, they have to be extraordinarily brilliant. Ordinary human beings cannot digest any of the highest three syllables. So my frequencies have to be properly made known through one's own ability to grasp the spirituality. It is spiritual yogic consciousness that matters. That means every soul is equipped with the introspective methodologies and the future ways of one living styles. That's why bachelors and spinsters, bachelor Bangalow souls and spinster Bangalow souls, when they reside together in their own ways of one purposeful engagement, propagating message of love, message of truth, message of yoga, message of spirituality, then they themselves have to undergo the practices of spirituality, of yoga, philosophy, and power pranayama, power meditation, initiation to various kinds of beautiful life patterns, then luxurious and royal. That will never keep any garbages in and around. Always will feel their blissfulness and happiness. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So many can feel they are creating their own conducive atmosphere to feel their beautiful life in this planet. So bachelors and spinsters as would-be Nija Yogis and Nija Yoginis will think about joining ME unit space. Organize your team. I am organizing my team in tune with my own perceptive science, Nij Yoga meditation, Nij Yoga system of evolution, manifestation energy, expansive awareness of Say Yoga. There is business spirituality and prosperity to other concept in it. So all those who are really want to feel a new millennium emerging, creativity is life. Those who know how to create, they will create the destiny. Those who do not know how to create destiny, even getting the power, they are just simply existing. Existing is not life. Living and leading is life in ME unit space. So it is leader domains. Leader means not political leaders. All the walks of life, better and willful, powerful, spiritual leaders are essential in this particular period. Then kingdom of ME souls are equipped with that type of ways to feel their own divinity. Then they can take care of the entire human species in the wireless space, cosmic space, direct. That's love. Living God system with loving version to feel one's own ability to grasp a new millennium emerging. It's moving towards Satyuga. Straight, left you all. This is Nijaraja Yogi, a business spiritual leader and a philosopher, talks to you through organizing tactics. Left you all. Straight's right, straight left, straightness only. Most modern yogis, they don't follow any stereotypes of past tendencies. They have their own attitude and altitude to feel the cosmic energies channeling through them. They don't celebrate any birthdays, so they don't have any age to clear. Ageless yogis. If anybody asks me what is your age, I say what is the age of the planet? What is the age of the sun and moon? What is the age of the mind? What is the age of the souls? Because all these things are transcendental to feel the soul consciousness and purposeful engagement. Straight? Left you all.